Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And today I would like to share with you over 100 holiday cards that I bought at the thrift store in mint condition. And I paid just $2 for all this. $2. Two piles were rubber bands with a ticket, and each one was labeled $1. Every single card here has its own envelope, and they are just detailed envelopes, I tell you. Like, for example, this one here. Look at the card with the penguins and look at that envelope. Amazing. And just the art on every single card. And look at those doors. Those doors are definitely going to be for repurposing. Look at the amazing creation that I can make with this. 2 doors for the miniature creations. Look at that. Beautiful card. Some of them are duplicates, and I also have more on this side. And each one, again, with its own envelope. Now, there are some that are not Christmassy, like these. These are, let's see, Defenders of Wildlife. So these are plain inside, but I will come back with these just by themselves. I have the wolves here, and I have some bears, but all the other ones are Christmas cards. But they are just very unique, beautiful. I wanted you to see them up close because I recently shared a video with you, but I didn't display them like this. These are just stunning little cards. And they're actually big cards. They're not small. Some of them actually came in a little pile like this in between the other pile. So like I said, some of them are extras. And look at these. These I can add to my village creations. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Amazing. Let's see these. Let's see who the artist is. True Meaning Christmas, Homeward Bound, Terry Redlin. Wow, beautiful. Just beautiful. So this is Terry Redlin collection, these. Let's see if this one, yep, Terry Redlin. Let's see this one. The St. Labrie Indian School, Ashland, Montana. Let's see which other one. How about these doors? Let's see who the artist is. Hope Greeting Collection, Habitat.org, Kelly Westfall. So it must be Kelly Westfall. And let's see these here with the little dogs and cats. Original art by Oriel Haynes. It says it right there. Wow, beautiful cards. How about these? Let's see these. If we can see the artist on it. Original art by Bradley Jackson. Bradley Jackson. Just beautiful. How about this one? This one's one of my favorites. I guess because it has house items, you know, and I'm so much into doll houses and all that. But look, it's Santa bringing presents to only the pets. This is adorable. Let's see who the artist is. Let's see. It's not on here. Maybe inside. Let's see. Nope. This one doesn't have an artist. It just says Kids Wish Network. That's all it says. Doesn't have an artist name. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful cards. This one says St. Joseph's Indian School. Amazing. That I got over 100 of these cards for just $2. And look at this one. This one is another one of my favorites. all the little gifts in different colors. So let's see. St. Joseph's Indian School. Doesn't have an artist name, just the school. Let's see what else back there. There are some more. Look at that. Beautiful. Those are money cards. Those are the long cards. So those owls are one of my favorite cards. The one with the gifts, the doors, and this one here because it has like household items. Those are my favorites. Beautiful, just beautiful. Look at this. So eventually you will see some of these cards again when Christmas comes around and I make a creation. You will see them again. Alrighty, I think that this will be it. I hope that you have enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.